Hey everyone, it's What's in the Box Wednesday, and this week I've got 3 new fabric ranges for you, which are actually really cute. So let's dive straight on in. First up, it's called Gnomes and Gardens. Better Gnomes and Gardens. Look at this, how cute is that? So it's a panel, and then you've got all different ones. Should we have a close look? Let's have a look. What's this one say? Dandelion Gardener, Gnome Sweet Home, Garden Geek, The Good Life, all lots of fun. Very cute. So that's the panel, and then to go with the panel, we of course have some fabrics. So these 2 little blenders here. So some toadstools with of course the blue background and the white. Then we have some garden tools, because you can't do your gardening without the tools. Some gnomes and their houses. Bit of fun here with some more toadstools. And then to finish it off, a nice border print there as well. How cute. So that was Better Gnomes and Gardens. Then the next lot I have is this one here, which is another little range we've got. Should have it this way. Probably the other way, but that's okay. And this is called Sunshine and Sandcastles. So we've got the panel here. Very lovely done, very lovely illustrations on this one. Again, similar sort of vibe. You've got all those smaller ones, you can chop them up, have them together, whatever you like. And it's good because they've left the space around them so you can chop them up if you like as well. Then from there we have our little beach scene. So of course, it's yellow as your sand, your beach towel, your umbrella, and the kids there. Then we have playing in the sand, making sand castles in the sunshine. Then a couple of white backgrounds here. So of course your beach houses, your icy poles, your ice creams. How fun is this one? And then some kites to finish it off there. So that's our second range. And then the third one I've got for you today is this one. So this is from Lewis and Irene, and it's called Brensham. So it's a beautiful blue and white range. The 9 fabrics we've got there, starting with your smaller print, your little berry, to a larger one with your tree. Beautiful leaves on that one. What have we got here? Some shape, can't think of the name right now. A trellis, beautiful trellis. And then some lovely large leaves again, this time different color background. Your small berries popping up, that beautiful mid blue, that same leafy pattern. The one with the trees, oh, it's not a tree, oh no, it is a tree. Tree in the middle, with bits going around it. Your small berries in the dark, and then that leaves with those little flowers again. So that was those 3 ranges there. And yeah, that's all I've got for you right now. We have got some very exciting things coming that have arrived that I'll show you very shortly, I am sure. But until then, we'll see you next week. Bye everyone.